Um, Hello guys. That's a setup on USD card. Sorry, USD card. So watching this is my little setup for next week Monday. I mean tomorrow Monday. This is a daily time frame. As you can see, in this daily time frame, market has been bullish, but in total formation, market is still in bearish form because it has not changed of character. It just broke structure. Just broke structure of this structure. So market has only broke structure to the upper side, but has not changed character to the upper side. So this is a 4 hours. As you can see, this trade, there is a trade line down to this point that pushed up a liquidity that been broke to make it more a down trade. But since last week, market has been going on bullish and has broke that structure of retracement. So market is has only broke make a market structure, not change of character in our daily time frame. So this is our view. As you can see, there is another block that is being medicated with this other block. This other block is being medicated with this other block. So market has not, this one is yet is valid because it's yet about to be meditated. So market has been going bullish. I'm hoping market to touch it, but before that, there's a liquidity up here. The market needs to, as it may be now, market always sometimes respect liquidity, or liquidity sometimes hold market. So I'm hoping next week is going to end with full bearish trade. So swing traders are going to make a lot of money. But if you're a scalper traders too, you're gonna make a lot of money. Look at here, market has broke structure. Let me tell you from the origin, market has broke structure to the upper side. Then and there is an other block over here, and if you watch closely, you will see that in this other block there is a fair value gap that has already been filled to buy, which is I didn't mark it out. So this fair value gap is being broke up, is being okay. This very fair value gap is being filled. The market push up after the break of structure, then return back to respect the other block. The other block is yet to be meditated and it's now meditated. Then market return to the other block, and as you can see, there is another other block left to meditate at the downside. So at this point, I'm taking market as a support and demand. That's what market is trying to format right now, because at the up there is a strong zone and at the downside there is a strong zone as well. So we'll be looking forward to this zone, this zone, this a daily zone for market to retrace down. But before market will retrace down, to my own view, if you go to 4 hours time frame, you will see that you will see that that view, before market will respect that view, market has to respect 4 hours time frame, because there is also a view, is a POI in 4 hours time frame. So let me just, because I don't have enough big screen. See it, you see, this is an indecision candlestick. Let me bring it close, guys. Are you seeing it? Guys, this is an indecision candlestick, and in this indecision candlestick there is another block that it's been mediated to, that push this market this large down. So at this indecision candlestick, market respect is a lot. I've tried it, and market respect is a lot. And before this individual candlestick, you can see a fair value gap under it. So this is 4 hours POI to me, and market has already to that point. See, market is already to that point, to this point, because that fair value gap is supposed to be filled. Then next, market touch that indecision candlestick, then sell off. But I don't think it will sell much, because that daily time frame, the daily time frame other block, this the daily time frame other block has not been meditated. So market will might sell for a brief short of time, then move to the daily time frame to make data. Then why am I trusting my 4 hours order block is because if you watch this zone here, if you watch around there, let me zoom more. I don't normally use indicators, but see, if you watch this zone very well, you will see that market, this bullish market is getting weaker by the day. It's getting weaker. You see, market is getting weaker on bullish. So this 4 hours time frame can push the market down. So that's what I'm expecting in my 4 hours. So I'm using 4 hours as my POI. I'm using 4 hours as my POI, guys. Then in 1 hour time frame, I want to show you what I mean by this USD card. I'm going on this trade in 1 hour time frame. In 1 hour time frame, we have already see where I marked out my 4 hours POI and daily POI. So due to small screen, I would like you guys to let's focus on the present market structure. Then we'll know where we are moving to our when market is going to our directions, so that we won't miss this trade. It will be very sad if we miss this, because it's gonna be massive. See, 1 hour time frame, this market has been on bullish but in a weaker form. So to that POI of 4 hours, market is respecting it too, to that POI of 4 hours. So, and if you watch closely, market is still going bullish. Market is gonna go bullish for this point, but before market to go to this bullish for this point, then retrace because of that FVG, then pull to the other block, to the indecision candlestick, I mean, then sell off. That's what I'm hoping market to do, and I believe market will do so. So because I've experienced it a lot, although this market is there's probability in markets. So but let's keep up on our technical analysis. So in 1 hour time frame, because I normally do my analysis from daily time frame to 15 minutes, because 15 minutes is where I take trade. So when I put 5 minutes is when I want to see if when market reach to my zone, if market has break up to the upper side, if I'm expecting bullish, then if market has break up to the lower side, if I'm expecting bearish. And you know that smaller time frame goes faster than the bigger time frame. So these are my I'm checking out on my 30 minutes. You see that still on this consolidation, market has been consolidating, struggling to go up. Market is being weak. So market can only hold for a period of time, which is this is going to fill in this FVG. If fair value gap, then touch the other block, the indecision candlestick from the 4 hours time frame, then market then will sell off. That's my expectation, and I'm going on that market on swing trade. Although I'm a scalper trader, but I will go on swing when market reach to that zone. And let me tell you that market can also feed the FVG, then sell off without touching the indecision candle as well. But I believe it will touch the indecision candle, but I'm not gonna take trade if market only touch the FVG and sell off. Market has to touch my indecision candle marked out as my order block before I can enter into the trade with my own confirmation of a break of the lowest point. So as you have seen, in 30 minutes market is going struggling to go up, and the only way, and since market is been struggling to go up, this FVG I believe it will be a strong one, because as you check guys, the 4 hours indecision candlestick with this FVG push down a market so massive, so that zone is very strong. Market will also be pushed down in this one. So this 30 minutes, and check out on my 15 minutes, because 15 minutes is where most traders still trade. Market is still on consolidation. Then how do I find out that market will reach to that FVG? Because in 15 minutes my entry, in 15 minutes, as you can see guys, this is an order block after a break of, okay, let me mark it out. After a break of structure, after a break of structure trend line, a break of trend line, sorry, my bad, a break of trend line. So market has break structure to the upper side. Then this is where for those of support and demand traders, this is actually when the supply is being disrespected. So at is this now, it's called supply turns demand, and this other block is valid now after this break of structure. So this is an other block too, because it has been a supply turn demand, then it will move back to the upper side, and as you can see, it broke the previous high, which is still in bullish, as in bullish trend. Market is still going bullish. Then as you can see, this is a liquidity above it, and this other block that is here with a little bit indecision candlestick with an FVG, market came back, feel it, go back, go back and touch the liquidity. Market come back the next one, then touch our indecision candlestick that is being meditated with our other block, then market boom to the upper side. So looking at things now, market has broke up one, I broke up, let me count from here, one, showing that the market has turned to a bullish candlestick. And watching from this, the previous high of the bearish candlestick, this is actually a liquidity level, almost close. See it, market is actually at a liquidity level, but still broke up of the highest high. Market has broke it. That's a complete change of character in market. So see, and this high right here now, this higher point now, that create a liquidity on market has as well broke up to it, that show a strong bullish candlestick and bullish trend. Then I'm watching out that this is an 15 minutes order block, because an order block is what we call a last candle of sell to bullish. or a last candle of buy to bearish. So market has actually bring out an other block here. Market has brought out another block of 15 minutes, and as you can see, all these zones, this other block, these are my POIs, is already been meditated and corresponding. So as market has broke the other block here, market has come back to that zone, then market is going bullish, but in a consolidation form. Then watching so close, if you're watching so close, you will see that this market here now came up, touch this other block, go on bullish, then return back, because there is a lot of calculation here in the market, so it probably pushing the market a little bit down, but this showing this other block is a strong one. So market has been going bullish and return back, that we call a liquidity, and market as well lastly broke out the liquidity. As you can see, market broke out the liquidity. Let me zoom it. Market has come to this and broke out the liquidity. It has broke out with the liquidity in a body of a candlestick, because I trust a market being break out in a body, because the body of a candlestick is where the volume is. So I believe when it broke out with the body of a candlestick, it's when the strength of the market is. So it's broke out to the body of a candlestick, showing that market is still going to respect our zone. So if you watch in 5 minutes time frame, if you watch it on 5 minutes time frame, you see that 5 minutes has already break out. Our 5 minutes have already break out this liquidity to the upper side. Then as if you check on this my trade line, because I'm a trade line trader, so as SMC and trade line, if you check this trade line from here, you see that market touch this, zoom off with this thing, zoom off, then zoom off, touch our other block. Then market has break the other block out. Market has break the trade line. Then market in 15 minutes has already retraced, but I'm trusting the market will come back here, because there's a lot of calculation in market. There is a lot of calculation, so market will come back to this zone to take more orders, and boom, market will then touch that 4 hours other block, then market will zoom off. Hello guys, I'm still new in teaching on YouTube, so I know I'm not that kind of professional, but I believe I know what I'm doing. Thank you guys. That's all I have for today.